Hello children, good morning. Now, as you were asking about the question answers and exercise of natural vegetation and wildlife, so I am going to tell you, take your pencil, pen, paper and get ready to write down and note it carefully. So natural vegetation and wildlife, the first question is choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. The first one is the grassland of Brazilian highlands are also known as, and the correct answer is B. B for boy, Campos, Campos, Campos. Second, dash is a cold desert, and the correct answer is C. Patagonia, Patagonia, Patagonia. Third, which of the following trees is not found in the temperate deciduous forest? The correct answer is A, and the answer is rosewood, 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 A. Then fourth, marsupials are found in dash, and the correct answer is D. D for dog, Australia, Australia. Number 5, citrus fruit trees are found in the dash forest, and the correct answer is rain, 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 and B option. Now come to the match the columns. Jaguar is found in Brazil, C is the correct answer. Ostrich, D is the correct match, Australia. Bison, B, USA. Wolf, A, Russia. And wallaby, E, Botswana. So correct matchings are C, D, B, A and E. C, D, B, A and E. Now true or false? State whether these are true or false. The first one, plants and animals cannot adapt themselves to their habitat. False. Second, coniferous trees yield soft wood. True. Third, trees in the temperate deciduous forests shed their leaves in the summer season. True. Fourth, fur-bearing animals are found in the taiga and tundra. True. Fifth, xerophytic vegetation is found in the hot deserts. True. So first is false, second is true, third is true, fourth is true, and fifth is true. Now fill in the blanks. A region with naturally occurring flora and fauna that have adapted themselves to their environment forms a natural vegetation. The correct answer is natural vegetation, the blank. Now second, the main species of dash trees are pine, fir, spruce and cedar, and the answer is coniferous, Coniferous, coniferous. Then third, the temperate grasslands of Africa are called veld, VELD, veld. Fourth, greater rhea is a flightless bird of South America. Greater, GREATER, greater rhea, RHEA, is the flightless bird of South America. Fifth, seals and walrus are found in the seas of the tundra region. Seals and walrus are found in the areas of the tundra, TUNDRA, tundra region. Now answers the following questions in 10 to 20 words. The first one is, what do you mean by natural vegetation? And for this you can find out the answer on 156 page, I think so. You try to find it out. Yes, under the heading natural vegetation. The natural vegetation of an area means the plants that grow naturally. The natural vegetation of an area means the plants that grow naturally without the human interference. Without the human interference. Now next question. Question number 2. Where are tropical evergreen forests found? And the answer is 159 page under the table. The first column, tropical evergreen forest. In front of that, areas are written. So you will write equatorial region, Amazon and Orinoco basins in South America, Congo basin in Africa, Southeast Asian countries. Areas, equatorial region, Amazon and Orinoco basins in South America, Congo basin in Africa, Southeast Asian countries. Then next question, number 3. Why is lumbering an important occupation in the coniferous forest? On the same page, in the same table, third column, third paragraph, fourth paragraph, under the heading coniferous forest, also called taiga, and the heading is characteristics. Evergreen trees, tall and straight, yield soft wood for furniture, matchsticks, paper, newsprint, plywood, etc. Evergreen trees, tall and straight, yield softwood for furniture, matchsticks, paper, newsprint, plywood, etc. Next question. Distinguish between evergreen forest and deciduous forest. For this answer, come on 157 page. Under the heading evergreen forest, you will write the heading difference between the evergreen forest and deciduous forest, and the answer is evergreen forests are so named as there is no particular season for trees to shed all their leaves. Evergreen forests are so named as there is no particular season for trees to shed all their leaves. While while, then come on under the heading deciduous forest. While in deciduous forests, most of the trees shed their leaves at a particular time of the year, usually during the dry season, or you may call summer season. Usually during the dry season or summer season. Next question. Why have some wildlife species become endangered? And for this answer, you can find out, you write down better, the destruction of forests, and extreme interference including hunting, poaching, result in the destruction of wildlife and resulting some wildlife species endangered, further resulting some wildlife species endangered. So that is all for today, and I hope so that you will do well and learn for exams as directed, and for your knowledge also. You can enhance your knowledge through the reading and learning all these things. If once you are not able to understand, you can view the video, watch the video again and again. Many times you can watch so that you can understand the thing and note down.